All right, so how do we generate an OpenAI API key? First, we're going to navigate over to openai.com. We're going to hover over products, and then we're going to choose API login. If you're not logged in, it will bring you to this screen and you're going to continue with your email or create an account if you don't already have an OpenAI account. I find it easy to continue with Google, so that's what I'm going to do. Choose the appropriate account. And once you're logged in, it will bring you to the screen. On the left, we have ChatGPT access, and on the right, we have API access. We're going to click on API access. That's what we're interested in today. And it brings you to the OpenAI playground. And here you can explore the different models that they have available. What we're interested in, however, is the API key. So we're going to, on the left panel here, click on API keys, and then it brings you to this section. And if you have API keys available, it will list them here. We're going to go ahead and click on this green Create New Secret Key button to create a new secret key. You can optionally give it a name. I suggest you name it something along the lines of Meta Photo AI. And leave everything the same unless you know exactly what you're doing. Lastly, we're going to click on Create Secret Key. And here we have it. Our key has been generated. Click on this copy button to copy it to the clipboard. And we're going to want to save that somewhere safe because once we close this, we won't have access to it again. It's no big deal if you don't get access to it again. If you do need it, you just delete it and create a new one. So paste, here's the key that we just generated. So that is how you generate an OpenAI API key.